Hi, my name is Julian and today I'm going to share with you step by step how you can buy a smart coin. I'm not going to leave anything out, just follow along in the video and let me know if you have any questions below and I'll happily answer them. So the first step is you want to come to Google. You want to download MetaMask. You need to Google MetaMask. First link that you see, it should be metamask.io. I'll leave a link in the description for everything that I use in this video, so just keep a lookout for that. So first you want to download here, you just want to click the link on top. You want to download MetaMask and just follow the prompts they mentioned. So you just want to download it. You'll go to the Google Chrome store, install MetaMask, and then you should see it above on this bar here. If you can't, look for this little symbol here, little puzzle piece kind of symbol, and it should be in your drop down tab, and you can pin it to the top if you wish. So once you have that downloaded, you need to create your account. So it might be a little bit different to mine. You will need to create a whole brand new account. It'll pop up and you just follow what they say. You'll get a secret key. You need to keep those secret keys because they're like you're getting into your bank. If people get those, they get into your bank. So put it in a notepad or write it down somewhere secure. Write it down in multiple places, I suggest. So what I'll do is I'll go down here and create a new account. So I'll just create a new account here, account 10. So this is what it will look like when you first create your account. It'll be on the basic main network that everyone is when they first start, which is Ethereum mainnet. But you need to get to the actual AVAX network. You need to get to the AVAX network. So the first step is going to your MetaMask and going to the drop down, You need to go to the drop down here. So Ethereum mainnet, you see a little symbol, a little arrow downwards. You need to click that. You need to go down to the custom RPC. So you need to click on that. So now what you need to do is you need to put this in there. All this information here, network name, new RPC, URL, chain ID, and symbol, and Explorer. I will show you how to do this and how it looks once I have put it all in there. Alright, so once you've written all this in here, it should look like this. Exactly like this, Avalanche mainnet. So all I've done is copy and paste pretty much all this over here. You can name it whatever you want, but I've just named it that. So this is C-Chain, and then you just put the URL. I've put exactly those. So once you've put all those in here, you just need to click save, and you should have now the network in your drop down tab. So once you come to the home page again, you can go to the drop down pad and go down to Avalanche mainnet. Now this is the mainnet that you need to be on to actually get Avalanche into your wallet. Alright, so the next step is you need to actually go to create an Avalanche wallet. So you need to go to the actual mainnet network. I'll leave a link in the description below for this wallet. You can type in Avalanche wallet as well into Google and it should be there as well. But first up, you want to come to here, come to the website. Once you come to the website, create a new wallet. You don't have a new wallet, generate a key phrase. So once again, this is like your bank account. You need to keep these secure. So definitely copy and paste these somewhere and put them in somewhere secure. So once you've written these down, these key phrases right here, make sure you've written them down. Click access wallet. All you need to do now is click access wallet. Should pop up here. The codes that you just seen before here. So these here, you just need to write it in the number, the correct number. And I'll show you once I've done this. Right, so once you've written those in and just pressed OK, you can now click access wallet and now you'll get sent to your wallet address. Like I mentioned, make sure you keep those secure, those codes. Alright, so once you're on your wallet, now the next step is you need to send AVAX from an exchange into your AVAX wallet. This is your AVAX address. So this is your deposit wallet address that you need to get. Grab that, copy that, and now you need to go onto your exchange and buy Avalanche. Make sure you have Avalanche in your exchange wallet. Doesn't matter what exchange wallet you use, you just need to buy Avalanche. I'm using SwiftX. If you want to join, there's a link in the description, but you can use any exchange as long as it has Avalanche on it. So all I've done is buy Avalanche here. I'm just going to buy 100% of it. I've already got it and I'll just put an instant buy in and then yeah, bang, I've got Avalanche. So you just need to deposit AUD into your exchange and then you need to just come to here, come to trade and buy and type in Avalanche on the tab here and you should find it. So I've already bought it. For this guide, I'm just going to be sharing with you how you can actually get smart token. So now I need to actually add the wallet address. So what I'm going to do is go to this plus sign, name it Avalanche wallet, and the address that I just copied here, I'm going to put into here. So, and it's Avalanche network, it's picked that up. I'm just going to add it. Security information, just to verify it. Alright, so now that that's been verified and I've done my security information, now I can withdraw it. So all I do is click on this little money sign, hand sign here, and click on that. The reason I want to withdraw it, I'm just transferring it to a personal wallet. Doesn't matter what you say here, it's just a little message, I don't know. You can put in the dollar amount that you want to withdraw, or how much Avalanche you want to withdraw. I'm just going to click withdraw all, and I'm going to click withdraw. Now I just have to wait for it to go into my wallet here, and it should appear up here. Alright, so now I've got my AVAX Avalanche in my wallet. I can just scan this and it should show up my AVAX that has been received. I also want to mention something here real quick. So X is X chain, and then C chain is what you want to get. So at the moment we're in exchange X, so I just call it exchange. X exchange, because that just lets me remember it. So right now we've got X chain. It's on the X chain. We need to get it to the C chain. So that's why this process is important. So the next step is to get it from the exchange network, C network. So what we need to do is we need to go to cross chain. So click on this bar here. You got the source, which is X, and the destination P. We don't want to go to P, we want to go to C. So just click the drop down tab here and click C exchange from X exchange. So X to contract, C chain. So I want to put in max, so I'm just going to copy this and put that into there. So I'm putting in the max amount, and then all I'm doing is hitting confirm, transfer, and it should complete. Once this processing is complete, accepted, and it should be imported here. You just have to wait for this to load. It's got the address here, the ID, accepted. So now we've gone from the X chain to the C chain, which is what we need to get to be able to send it to our MetaMask. So now we can go back to the portfolio here. So now we can go to the send here. So send button here on the left. We're not in the X chain anymore, we're on the C chain, which is what we need to be. So I'm just going to click the max amount, but you can type in whatever amount, the dollar amount here, or you can click in how much AVAX you actually want to send. It's up to you. But I'm just going to click max, and now you just need to put the address here. So now we need to go back to MetaMask, drop down, click the drop down here. Now you need to get this wallet here. This is your wallet address here on your MetaMask. So click that, come back here and put your address in here. So all I'm doing is copy and pasting it in there. And then all you need to do here is confirm. Send the transaction, and then it should complete and send the transaction to your MetaMask wallet, and then you can proceed to the next step, which I'll share with you. And in a minute it should appear in your into your AVAX chain, C chain. As you see, C chain, it should appear into your Avalanche wallet. So just then, as you can see, it just appeared in my wallet. That was extremely quick. So now what we do next is we go over to Smart Chain here. Alright, so now we can head over to smartcoin.farm. I'll leave a link in the description for everything that I mentioned before. I just wanted to mention you again. Once again, I'm just leaving everything in the description below. So now that you're on smartcoin.farm, we need to now get our hands on some liquidity. So what we do now is first we buy some Smartcoin. So we click on buy on the website and click OK and continue. I understand. This is just importing the token. So we know this is the right token because we're importing it directly from their website. So now what you need to do is connect your wallet, connect MetaMask. You need to connect this wallet here. This is a wallet that I've got the AVAX on. Hit connect. It's connecting. Now the key step here is you need liquidity. So you need AVAX, you need Avalanche, and you need Smart. See, what I do here is I split it up 50-50. So whatever amount I've got here, so I've got 0.3. So what I do is I just half this. So I'll just do 1.6, which is about half. It doesn't really matter if you do this incorrectly. It doesn't really matter. And then I just click swap. Confirm the swap, and then just confirm it here again, and then it should be complete. I also want to mention here, you might, if an error comes up, you might have to increase the slippage tolerance. So you just click on this little bar here, top, and click on here and do a custom. It might need 3. It might be 4%, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really affect anything in general, but you might need to increase the slippage. So that's just a heads up. I just want to mention that because sometimes you might be confused on why it doesn't work. So once you've got half each of these, you need liquidity. So you just need 50-50 of whatever amount you got. It doesn't really matter much. You just need a bit of Avalanche and Smart. But I just go 50-50, so then I know it's correct. So now I go back to Smartcoin website and I just add liquidity. Now I click add liquidity. So you see why I'll need to have 50-50 here. So as you can see, you need both Avalanche and use the Smart token. So I just normally click on max amount, but you can type in whatever amount. It might need a few minutes to load, but I'll just give it a few minutes to load up. There we go, it appears in my wallet. Alright, so I just click max. As you can see, this is how much it needs. So I can't have that amount. So I'm just going to click max on here and boom. I just approve Smart, allow it, confirm the transaction fee, just give it a minute to approve. Alright, so as you can see, it's approved. Smart token VeChain approved. Now you just need to click approve again. I'm not sure why it's making me approve it again. Oh, there we go. Now it's all good. Now I can just supply it. Click supply and confirm supply. And now you just want to confirm this because you're putting it in. You're putting in 0.1, the amount plus the gas fee. So the gas fee is included in this. You can see the gas fee up here, which is nothing. Confirm, and then you can close this tab. Once it's confirmed, once it's been confirmed, you can go back to Smartcoin and go down to here, this little button here, deposit LP tokens. So once you've done what I've done, you just need to click here. Alright, so now you just need to go back to Smartcoin and you just come down to here. And as you can see, you have liquidity here. So 3.6 LP tokens available. So you need to come here, click deposit LP and just click max, approve, confirm, and then wait for this to complete. Once this is confirmed, just to let you know, you need to only do this once. You only need to do this once and then you should be ready to go to do it again and again. Next time you only have to deposit. You won't have to approve it anymore. And then just click deposit once you've put the amount in there that you want to add. So I'm putting it all in there, so I just put all of it in there. Deposit, confirm again once the MetaMask pops up. This is one issue that you have to pay attention to. You might run out of AVAX, so you need to keep a little bit of Avalanche in your wallet. So if you just give me one moment and I'll add some more into my wallet, Avalanche. So yeah, that's a valuable lesson. Just make sure you have enough Avalanche in your wallet to actually cover the fees as well. So now I want to go back here and deposit again. I'm depositing the max amount and just click deposit. Make sure you have enough in the wallet to pay for the fee. Don't make the same mistake I made. And then it should be submitted and should be deposited and it should be able to reload this page and it should be in here. Just give it a moment. Alright, so now as you can see, your liquidity should be deposited in here and show you how much you got in here, how much the dollar amount, and how much you got in general. Unclaimed will be down here and you can claim it at any time you wish. And yeah, that's the step, that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the description below. Like I mentioned, every link will be linked below. Thanks for watching and I hope this guide helps you out.